Welcome to the 45-Day Traffic Plan Workshop. In this workshop, you're going to learn how to launch your site and start getting at least 20,000 visitors a month to your site. And we're not talking about junk visitors here. This isn't junk traffic. We're talking about targeted traffic that is interested in what you have to offer. I mean, if you're just getting generic traffic, then chances are 99% of those people aren't going to be interested in what you have to offer. Then you aren't going to be able to make any money off of them. So, as what we're going to do in this workshop is discuss the different types of websites that are out there, cover tons of traffic tactics, and then, depending on what kind of site you have, we'll create a custom traffic plan. By the time you get done with this workshop, you'll have a ready-to-go plan that will show you what to do each and every day to get traffic to your website. For the first 15 days of this program, we are going to cover over 100 different tactics. By the time you get done with this, you'll have a PhD in traffic. Okay, so I can't give you a PhD, but you'll know more than 99% of the other people out there who are trying to get traffic to their website. Now, before we get started, though, you need to make sure you've gone through Lesson 3 of the Tomy Notes. The link to that is in your resource document. Now, as I said in that lesson, there are several different types of traffic you can get, and the three main categories that they are in are Category 1, traffic that you buy, Category 2, traffic that you borrow, and Category 3, traffic that you beg for. Now, let me explain each of these to you. So we've got buy, borrow, and beg. Now the first category is pretty self-explanatory. You can buy traffic by paying to advertise on people's sites, buying e-zine advertising, buying pay-per-click advertising, banner advertising, and the like. The second category is where you borrow traffic from people who already have traffic. This is entirely based on getting affiliates to promote for you. Either they have a big list or a high traffic website. You can go to them and ask them to promote. They grab their affiliate link, they promote, and get paid for any sales they make for you. Now, viral traffic also falls into this category too. Now, category 3, traffic that you beg for. What I mean by traffic that you beg for is that coveted search engine traffic. You have to spend a lot of time optimizing your site and then building links to your site to get your site to rank number 1 in the search engines for your desired keywords. Now this is called search engine optimization, and it's too much like hoping and praying for traffic. And although I do a lot of SEO, it's time consuming and tedious. You won't see any payoffs from your efforts for about 3 to 6 months. That's why I hire people to do all of my SEO. This doesn't mean you shouldn't use it though, okay? It does mean that it does take some time to see the fruits of your labor. Now, with that said, the first thing I want to talk about is search engine optimization. Most traffic tactics fall under the search engine optimization category in one way or another. Now, the first step to search engine optimization is keyword research. Let's talk about keyword research. Before we go any further, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research, okay, for SEO purposes.